Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can flip your video in VN. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the VN. So I'm going to open the VN. So let's click on the VN, and after clicking on this, as you can see, it will take few seconds in opening the VN. So as you can see now, simply we have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on the plus icon, we have to click on the new project, and after clicking on the new project, we have to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so let's click on this, and now we have to click on the next option. So let's click on the next, and after that, as you can see, the video is imported here. Now simply you have to scroll this option in the end, and after that, as you can see, two options are provided here. If you want to mirror the video, you have to click on the mirror, and the video will look like this. As you can see, the video is mirrored. Now if you want to flip the video, you have to click on the flip the video, and the video will be flipped. If you want to flip back, this will be flipped back. If you want to mirror back, it will be mirror back. And now if you want to flip this, you have to click on the flip, and the video will be look like this. So in this way you can flip the video and the mirror the video. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can flip and mirror a video in VN app. So see you guys in the next video.